Good morning. Welcome to Tata Chem DAV Public School Mithapur online classes. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi, your maths teacher for class 5th. Today we are going to start first chapter, numbers up to 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999, and in this chapter our topic is Indian place value chart and find the period, place and place value. Look at the Indian place value chart shown here. To read and write large numbers, we used this Indian place value chart. In this place value chart, 9 places are grouped in 4 periods. These periods are ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Now let us observe the places of each period. The first 3 places from the right, that are ones, tens and hundreds, make the ones period. The next 2 places, that are thousands and 10,000s, make the thousands period. The next 2 places, that are lakhs and 10 lakhs, make the lakhs period. And the last 2 places, that are crore and 10 crores, make the crores period. You have to remember some points to read or write the numbers. Number 1. If you write in words, only first letter is capital. Number 2. While reading the numbers, all the digits in the same period are read together and the name of the period except the ones is read along with them. Number 3. In order to separate the periods, insert commas in between the periods. For example, 532194680. Let's take this number. The first place from the right, that are ones, tens and hundreds, make the ones period. Let's start writing the place value in the given chart. In ones period, 0 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place and 6 is in hundred place. In thousand period, 4 is in thousand place, 9 is in the 10,000 place. In lakh period, 1 is in lakh place, 2 is in 10 lakh place. In crore period, 3 is in crore place and 5 is in 10 crore place. We write commas after each period so that the number is 53 crore 21 lakh 94,680. See, only first letter is capital. For the next example, 913526,048. Let's start writing the place value in the given chart. In ones period, 8 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place. In thousand period, 6 is in thousands place, 2 is in 10,000 place. In lakh period, 5 is in lakh place, 3 is in 10 lakh place. In crore period, 1 is in crore place, 9 is in 10 crore place. We write commas after each period so the number is 91 crore 35 lakhs 26,048. If we write in word, only first letter is capital. Hope the concepts of place value chart and write the large number in word is clear to you. How can we find the period, place and place value of the red digit? Look at the chart carefully. Question number 1. 45 crore 26 lakh 91,708. The red digit is 5. See, commas are written in each periods and the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs and crore. So the red digit is come in crore period. In crore period, two places are come, crore and 10 crore. And the red digit is in crore place, and the place value of red digit is 5 crore. Question number 2. 12 crore 45 lakh 56,789. The red digit is 4. C. Commas are written in each period, and the periods are ones, thousands, lakh, and crore. So the red digit is come in lakh period. In lakh period, two places are come, lakh and 10 lakh. And the red digit is in 10 lakh place. And the place value of red digit is 40 lakh. Question number 3. 92 crore 13 lakh 60,578. The red digit is 6. C. Commas are written in each period, and the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs, and crore. So the red digit is come in thousands period. In 1000 periods, two places are come, 1000 and 10,000. So the red digit is come in 10,000 place, and the place value of red digit is 60,000. Question number 4. 43 crore 66 lakh 18,273. The red digit is 7. C. The commas are written in each periods, and the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs, and crore. So the red digit is come in ones period. In ones period, three places are come, ones, tens, and hundred. So the red digit is in tens place, and the place value of red digit is 70. Question number 5. 27 crore 34 lakh 1,113. The red digit is 2. Again C. Commas are written in each periods, and the periods are ones, thousands, lakh, and crore. So the red digit is come in crore periods. In crore periods, two places are come, crore and 10 crore. So the red digit is in 10 crore place, and the place value of red digit is 20 crore. Hope the concept of period, place, and place value of red digit is clear to you. Have a nice day. For any query, write in comment box. Students, you need to practice more and more, because practice make a man perfect. The more you practice, the more you are going to enjoy maths. Thank you.